Hey, what's up guys? If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita, and for this video I'm about to ruin myself. We are doing a becoming that girl type of video, and you guys, I'm starting this video the day before so I can be just fully aware of what's happening tomorrow. I've been a little bit unmotivated for the past weeks, as you can see, because I haven't posted a video. But this is about to change, so I feel like whenever I'm feeling this way, I just need a reset routine, and I have done a reset routine here on this channel. But I feel like that girl routine is something very popular, very like VSCO girl, Pinterest girl, and I'm trying to recreate the essence of being that girl. So bear with me with this video. I promise it's gonna be super fun, super aesthetically pleasing, very like getting my shit together basically, and I need it. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. Let's become that girl. Oh gosh, I wish I'd be sleeping now. Good morning. So it's 7 a.m. I know some people wake up even earlier for these type of things. They have a 5 a.m. morning routine or a 6 a.m. morning routine. But honestly, I usually wake up between 8, 9 because now we are all working from home here, so I kind of am allowed to have that schedule. So basically I just wanted a smooth transition so I wouldn't get very tired during the day, and probably will adapt these for other future videos for 6 a.m. morning routine, 5 a.m. morning routine, who knows. The one thing that I already liked a lot was the light. The light is so beautiful, so peaceful, and yeah, no one's awake, so that's a very good thing, so you can have a slow morning routine. Right now I'm just going to drink my coffee. Whenever I'm here, he always wants to be here as well. So yeah, I'm really happy already. I don't know, I feel like this is a good day. So this is the set that I'm wearing. It's just these Sage green sports bra. I love this set so much because of the color. Also, it's very comfortable and just has these kind of detail on the back. This is how it looks like. I really love it. Very comfortable and flattering. This is the outfit, a very basic cropped t-shirt, and then just these mom jeans that I'm always wearing. I need to order a few more of these because they're super comfortable. I don't know guys, probably will change the outfit later on. I'm just going to be wearing these jewelry that I ordered from Blushy, a small business. this is my breakfast. I usually don't eat that much. I usually only drink a cup of coffee, but today, because I'm becoming that girl, I decided to try out these as well, just a half of a banana, and then these toasted with some butter and peach. This is great also because it's healthy, and then this is the butter and these are the toasts. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm starving. What I will be doing is to just fill off these. This is the self-care notepad that I have available on my store. This is a small business because I have to just plan out the content, also available on my store. And then this is just the usual like to-do list daily planner that I also have available on my store. So I'm just going to fill out these 3 notepads that I made, and just to get everything organized before I start to do the work and to plan, like to actually do posts, photos, whatever I want to do. So yeah, I just like to have everything organized because I feel like whenever I have things organized, like tasks that I have to get done and everything, my mind is also very organized, and therefore I don't feel as anxious or stressed. So that's why I do what I do, and that's why I'm selling these notepads. It's just to overall help with anxiety and stress whenever we are working, or for example the self-care whenever we are taking care of ourselves, because that's very important. So it is 11 o'clock and I've already been so productive. I'm so ready to be eating. I don't know why, but having this routine, like becoming that girl kind of routine, just really gets me like hungry all the time. I'm so hungry. I'm ready to lunch, but I'm not gonna lunch until like noon and a half. So yeah, just wanted to give you this update. I'm like starving. Probably will just snack a little bit, but still I needed a full meal, I guess. But you know, it is what it is. Let's go for a walk. Vamos ao passeio? Quem quer ir ao passeio? Ir ao passeio? Right now I'm just going to go hang out with my friends at this coffee shop called Fauna and Flora. It's a very like really cute place that you can go here and know more about it. This is the tag. So this is the outfit for today. I really like this. This is from Shein. These are Stradivarius pants, and then I just tied like that. I showed you better on the Shein haul that I'm gonna be linking there, but yeah, very exciting. I haven't been with them like since at the beginning of all these corona thing, so I'm very excited. My hair is just a mess, so I'm just gonna let it be, and I'm ready. Let's go.
Settling in, settling down. Falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling.
So I just got home from our friend little date that we had, and now I'm gonna shower because since I left home, since I was outside, I don't know, I just need to have a shower again, but yes. I have my PJs on, shower is taken, and I'm still deciding if I'm cold or not, so still wearing the cardigan. But yeah, I'm just gonna to join my family during dinner. I'm not gonna have dinner because I'm so full for that snack. So yeah, just make company. I absolutely love my bedroom at night. Look at these mood. Right now I'm just going to be doing these face masks from Garnier Skin Active. And yeah, I really love these ones. These were the ones that I absolutely saw results. So now I'm just going to try it out again because I'm having a lot of pimples on my face due to period. So let's see if it gets better again. So right now I'm just going to sleep and I feel the face so... Okay, that's my boyfriend. Hold up. Yeah, basically now I'm just going to talk to my boyfriend and going to sleep, and I call it a day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you all so much. I hope you enjoy it. This was a little different than I used to, because I usually don't hop on trends and try to make my take on the trends. I just wanted to say before I go that the challenge within this challenge, the trying to become that girl challenge, basically just to maximize your productivity, to seize the day, the moment, just to enjoy yourself, to have some time to take care of yourself as well. So I didn't follow any plan, any video that I've watched. I just thought what I would like, or what I think, or what I consider to be like a perfect day for me, for myself, to take just care of myself, because that's very important. So I just advise you there, if you're a YouTuber or if you're not, just try to become that girl for a day even. I know that, for example, waking up so early, I think I'm not going to keep that habit with me, but definitely the rest. I think it's very important to just take more time for yourself so you can be mentally, I don't know, healthy and present, and I don't know. I think it's very important. That was my take on this challenge. That was my take on this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay happy. Bye. Good night.